Paul here, Totally TV, and I'm back, but I'm in a secret location, deep underground, on a scorching day, but it's a bit colder down here in our secret location. Last time wasn't that secret because it was Europlanters in Bedbury, as some of you pointed out, where the frogs are being made in the frog factory. But the frogs have now, well, some of them been moved here to our secret art studio to meet the artists for the very first time. We've got some amazing designs for you and some amazing frogs and some brilliant, brilliant artists, and we're going to meet some of them right now. So I'm now even deeper underground in a more secret location, and it's even colder. And I'm here. Do you remember these fellas from last time round? Please do not sit or stand on the lily pads. Looks like some of you did. So you remember back in the secret frog factory, we were just putting the mould together for a little froglet. So this is our first viewing of the little fella. Hashtag froglet. He's actually alive now. So I'm joined by frog painter extraordinaire from 2019. Look who it is. It's Douglas Hutton.
Hello.
Douglas, we're back. It seems like yesterday.
What day's today?
Tell us a little bit about what you're doing.
Well, I can't tell you anything about the design itself because that is top secret. But what we're actually doing today is, after 25 years as an engineer, I find myself painting the toenails of a very large frog.
There's a clue. So how long do you think it's going to take you?
In total, we reckon it's about 2 weeks.
Brilliant.
And we've been doing it for 4 days now.
Okay, you've not got frogfritis yet then?
Not yet, but I can see it coming.
Were you seeing frogs at the end of the last trail?
No, when I close my eyes, sometimes I would see frogs, but yes, we came around with loads of friends who came from all over the country just to see the whole trail. So we did see the frogs a lot last time.
Brilliant. Well, we're all very excited to see what this is going to look like, and there's some other secrets as well in store. We're full of secrets today, and we're going to be back very soon to have an update on our frog and froglet. Douglas, thanks a lot. So this is just a few of the very first spawn of our army of frogs. This year it's a monumental task. We've got 21 town centre frogs and 17 coming to the district centres. It's going to be absolutely massive and I can't wait. What do you think?
It's going to be riveting!